to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome, and I hope you have a reason to subscribe and join the family. So I ordered some items from Asda and they are here, so let's go pick it up and unbox. Okay, this is a George Home cooking pot. It's a 24 centimeters stock pot. I actually wanted a 28. I ordered a 28 centimeters pot, but it was out of stock and they replaced it. Asda replaced it with the 24 centimeters. Though now that the 24 centimeters is here, I actually prefer it because when I tried it on my cooker, this size is more preferable. If it was a 28 centimeters, it was going to be way bigger than my cooker. So this is better. And here is the star of the show. This George Home air fryer. I've been meaning to get one, mainly because of French fries, because when I got French fries, it kind of scattered in the pack and I couldn't fry them using my oil because it would just scatter inside the oil. I actually did this one time. It came out looking like akara. You know, that's the scattered part of akara. So that was my main reason wanting an air fryer. I can just easily pour the French fries in it and have it ready. So this is 1.5 liters. From the reviews I saw on the app before buying, most people said it was small, but it's okay for, you know, like single person. It's just me, so it's definitely going to be okay. Let's open this. I hope this unboxing is going to be clear from there. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Alright, let's cut this open. George Home 2-year warranty. I'll take my time and go through the manual, but I think I can understand some things here. 200 degrees. This should be French fries, cupcake, fish, drumsticks. I don't know what this is. Drumsticks, prawns. And this is to regulate the timer. This is for the temperature. This is to open it. How do we open this? I think I can just pull it out. Oh, I haven't taken out the tape. That's why. That's why. Alright. Pull this here and yeah, I got it. It's really small, very compact. It smells brand new. What's this in here? I don't know what I'm looking for in here. What do I think would be in here? It's all shiny. It's looking so cute. Oh, I love new things. Okay, let's put this back in. Oh, just entered. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna grill chicken. Let's see how it works. Turn it on. Alright. Isn't something supposed to happen here? No lights. Doesn't show any lights at all. How do I turn it on? Oh, the timer is currently on 0. Make it 5. Oh, now it's on. Power eating is on now. Alright, there's nothing inside, so I'm just gonna turn it up. Okay, let's grill some chicken. It's warm already. So how do I clean this up? Is there a way I can detach this thing and clean up? How do I clean it? There should be a way. I mean, when I grill here, I'm gonna have to clean the tray. So how do we clean it? There should be something in the manual so they know. Because obviously I'm not gonna just keep grilling and having the residue on the tray always. Yeah. I'm gonna check the manual for that. Let's do some chicken. Oh, my phone is ringing. I think the other package is here. I'm expecting another package from Amazon. Here we go. This is a blender. I'm not going to do the unboxing in this video. I'll make another video unboxing this one. Let's focus on the star of today's show. Alright, this you can relax first. Thank you. Okay, this one. I got these chicken drumsticks from Lidl. I'll open this up. I'm gonna mix my spice here. I'm gonna grill these 3 drumsticks. I'm using this Bramwell's classic BBQ sauce. I got this from Aldi. This is Heinz tomato ketchup. Now I'm adding my Maggi cube. This is Star Maggi from Nigeria. This is ground turmeric. This recipe came from the top of my head. I was just mixing and mixing and mixing different spices, and oh my goodness, when I grilled that chicken, it felt like heaven. Oh my god, it was nice. So this is gonna be my recipe. Gonna add some curry. Yeah, just that. This is chicken seasoning. I got this from Aldi. Thyme and paprika. Should I just start a cooking series? What do you guys think? Yeah. What else should what else did I add? This is ground ginger. Very little. I don't like much ginger in my food. And garlic. Nah, this one I don't turn it. I can't risk it pouring out so much. Very little. I don't like garlic and ginger. I don't want to feel the taste, but it should just be in there somewhere. And this is lemon juice, the pantry lemon juice. I'm just gonna put a little drop. Just drops here. That will do. And last thing, I think I'm gonna call these my magic ingredients. This is clear honey from Aldi. I'm adding 2 spoons. Aha! That's all for my recipe. Now let's mix it up. It's looking all messy now, but when it's done, when it is done, the taste is fantabulous. I'm going to keep the remaining sauce and use for more chicken. All right, now let's take this to the air fryer. Open this. I think it can only accommodate 3 at a time. Yeah, just 3 large drumsticks at a time. Not bad. So it comes with the instructions for whatever you want to air fry, and For drumsticks, it says 180 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature and it's currently on 80. I'm gonna take this up to 180. Between 200 and 160. So temperature is set, and for the timer it says 25 to 30. I'm gonna use 30. It's currently on 0. I'm gonna take this. Oh, it's on. It started. Now it's on 30. 30 timer, 180 degrees Celsius. Ooh, my food is grilling. I'm already loving the aroma coming out from this air fryer. It's remaining 5 more minutes. I actually think I should open this thing to maybe flip the chicken over to the other side. Am I not supposed to flip it over to the other side? Ooh, it looks burnt. So was 180. You know what? Let's just flip it. Okay, so when they say 25 to 30, I'm supposed to share that 30 minutes for both sides. That's 15 minutes, and then I flip it over at 15 minutes. Well, that will be for next time. Just gonna put this back in and take this timer to make it 10 this time. 10 minutes for the other side to heat up. Okay, that's 5 minutes left now. Let's see. Ooh, this thing is very fast. I'm not heating it anymore. It's alright like this. Take the timer back to 0. That was so fast, but take a look at this. And that off. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, and I read the manual to see how to separate this and to move this forward and then press this button down. Yeah, I was wondering how I was gonna clean this up. Time to taste my meal. It's so soft. I don't like this side. This side actually got burnt. I'm just gonna scrape out the skin. That's where the whole ingredient is. So the next time I want to use this air fryer, I'm going to reduce the temperature and also reduce the time, because I'd rather it comes out looking like this than this. Let's see it inside. Ooh, smoky. Look at all that juice. Ooh, come to mama, baby. Now let's try these chips with the air fryer. I got these from Asda. Oh, and this air fryer was £28. I don't know if I already said the price. This right now is trial and error. Okay, it's exactly 5 minutes. Let's see. It's okay. This thing is more frying. But I think 10 minutes is what this one actually needs, or 15. Okay, this is exactly 10 minutes. Yep. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so 10 minutes did not make it crispy. But I think that's because this is very low heat. Let's put it at 200 and 5 minutes. Okay, that's all done now. Aha, this is crispy. Aha, nice. 200 degrees Celsius is the hottest. 180 for prawns. I think I'm just going to be using 200 degrees, but I'll be regulating only the time. Yeah. As for the chicken drumsticks, why on earth did I think that it was going to be 30 minutes for each side? When I'm using my microwave oven, it's usually 30 minutes for each side, so that's 1 hour in total. Alright, it's gonna have french fries and ketchup and chicken. Bye! Perfect. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.